have flared up following a controversial statement delivered by BJP figure Navneet Rana during campaign efforts for the party's Hyderabad Lok Sabha nominee Madhavi Lata. This incident unfolded on Wednesday, sparking a heated debate. Hello and welcome to More Tiranga, where we bring you the latest election updates. This is Akanksha and you're watching SW News English. Referring to AIMIM leader Akbaruddin Owaisy's speech in Nirmal in Telangana in 2012, in which he said that if police would remove for 15 minutes, his community would show 100 crore Hindus what it could do. Rana said, Akbaruddin Owaisy said, remove police for 15 minutes so then they can show what they can do. I say, it may take you 15 minutes, but for us it will take only 15 seconds. Let's take a look at the footage.
ऐसे लड़ने वाले अगर इस देश में नहीं होते और भारतीय जनता पार्टी नहीं होती तो हैदराबाद को कब से इन्होंने पाकिस्तान बना दिया होता। और उस पाकिस्तान को अगर बनने से रोकना है तो माधवी लता जी को, हमको सभी हिंदुओं को एक होकर उनको मतदान करना है। अरे हम लोगों ने सभी लोगों के पास जाकर ये कहना है, अरे हिंदुओं जागो, अब तो जागो। छोटा बोलता है कि पुलिस को 15 मिनट हटा दो तो हम दिखाएंगे बोले कि क्या कर सकते हैं। छोटे को मेरा कहना है, तेरे को 15 मिनट लगेंगे छोटे, और हमको सिर्फ 15 सेकंड लगेंगे। 15 सेकंड पुलिस को हटाया, 15 सेकंड अगर पुलिस को हटाया तो छोटे को बड़े को ये पता नहीं लगा कहां से आया और कहां को गया। सिर्फ 15 सेकंड लगेंगे हम लोगों को मंच पे आ गए। बैठिए, मैं आप लोगों को इतना बताना चाहूंगी कि एमआईएम को और कांग्रेस को अगर हम मतदान करते हैं तो वो सीधा मतदान पाकिस्तान को जाता है, क्योंकि जिस तरीके से एमआईएम के लिए और कांग्रेस पे राहुल गांधी पे पाकिस्तान महाराष्ट्र दिखा रहा है कि मोदी को हराओ और राहुल गांधी को जिता। जैसे पहले पाकिस्तान के इशारों पे कांग्रेस सरकार रहने के बाद पाकिस्तान के इशारों पे देश चलाती थी कांग्रेस, आज वही पाकिस्तान फिर एक बार दिखा रही है कि उन्हें कांग्रेस पे कितना प्यार है और कांग्रेस के साथ बैठने वाला एमआईएम के साथ कितना प्यार है, वो किसी को भी चुन के लाओ।
Responding to her statements, AIM President Asaduddin Owaisi said, and I quote, I am telling you, Modi ji, give her 15 seconds. What will you do? Give her 15 seconds, give her 1 hour. We also want to see if you have the humanity left in you. Who is scared? We are all ready. If someone is making open calls like this, let it be so. PM is yours, RSS is yours, everything is yours. Do it. Who is stopping you? Tell us where we have to come. We will be there and we will do it. Rana in her speech also said that Lata will win and prevent Hyderabad from becoming Pakistan. She further said, if you vote for AIMIM or Congress, it goes to Pakistan. Pakistan shows love for AIMM and Rahul. Congress has ruled this country on the directions of Pakistan. Virinchi Hospital's chairperson Lata is currently engaged in challenging electoral battle against 4-time MP Owaisi, backing a contentious and acrimonious campaign. The uphill task for the BJP is evident, especially considering Owaisy's previous landslide victory in the 2019 Lok Sabha elections, defeating BJP's Bhagwant Rao Pawar by a significant margin of 2,82,186 votes, with a total of 5,17,471 votes cast in his favour. Last month, Lata had apologized after a video went viral purportedly showing her symbolically shooting an arrow in the direction of a mosque during the Sri Ram Navami rally. As the video went viral on social media, Lata said, and I quote, it has come to my notice that one video of mine is being circulated to media creating negativity. I would like to clarify that this is an incomplete view. But if anyone's sentiments are hurt, I would like to apologize, as I respect all the individuals. Owaisi had termed her act as vulgar and provocative. Do let us know what are your thoughts for this news report. Lastly, here's a short snippet of our managing editor Sujit Nair in conversation with Mumbai BJP President Ashish Shelar. Catch the full interview this Friday at 8 p.m. on HW News English and also download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
When you are into politics and when you want to make a Modi Parivar as a big Parivar, and when you have to deal with the opposition which is trying to unite themselves and trying to finish you, Women's Party, In that sense, when you have addition in your parivar, this question, this allegation comes. I welcome these allegations. I have no hesitation to reply to the same. But my reply is into the form of question. Those who are telling us as a washing machine, I am calling them as a painting machine.
What is the numbers that you see in Maharashtra?
Very frankly, what I see, the voting percent which has happened, the campaign which has been took place, and the candidates who have done a campaign, I feel that will surely cross 40 as alliance.
40.
40. 40.
A lot of polls.
4th June, 4 p.m., 40 plus.
Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.